ISUPK.
God has chosen
the Lord chose us, man. Come on, man, that's special. The Lord chose us, black, Native Americans, and Mexican, man. He chose all of us to run this earth. Not no white man, not no Arab. We shouldn't be able to go to a restaurant and see a musty Arab. I don't want to smell your breath. What's wrong with you? Go ahead.
The Lord thy God has chosen thee to be a special people unto himself.
The Lord chose us to be a special people unto himself, man. The Lord is dropping this song on if I was right here, I don't want to kill myself. He dropping this songs on all of y'all in these scriptures, man. This is gangster right here. Learn y'all something.
Above all people.
Above all people on this earth. We are above everybody. We own y'all. Y'all are our slaves. We ain't y'all slaves. Go ahead.
Above all people that are upon the face of the earth.
We different from y'all, bro. We got schools. Anytime y'all go up in the church, y'all don't get the type of wisdom that we get. This is something that y'all only gonna figure out by going to class. Something that y'all only gonna figure out by coming to camp. Y'all can't wake y'all people up. We already out here trying to wake our people up. Let me get Job 2:27. Even God said he was only our God. That's something. I mean, that's something we can't take away. Y'all can't steal that from us. God chose us. God want to be with us. For you to be trying to go and migrate with some white man, what that make you look like? A fuck nigga. Go ahead.
That's right. Joel chapter 2 verse 27. And ye shall know.
And we shall know. We need to know this. This don't need to be hidden from us, man. This is something that we gotta know. Go ahead.
That I am in the midst of Israel, and that I am the Lord your God.
Our God. This is our God, man. Not your God, white man. Not your God, Arab man. Go ahead.
And none else. And my people shall...
When he says my people, he's talking to us. Nobody else. I need to tell y'all that 100,000 times, because some people just don't understand that. Some people don't understand that we are the chosen people. Everybody keep trying to tell us that the white man is the chosen person. Nah, it's us. Go ahead.
And my people shall never be ashamed.
We don't need to be ashamed that we are serving the Lord, man. I'm proud to walk into school with a cover on my back. I'm proud to walk these streets. No, look at this, man. This is swag. Come on now. This is something y'all can't. I'll keep saying this, man. Y'all can't take this away from me. Y'all can't ever take this away from me. Go ahead.
And it shall come to pass afterward that I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh.
On all flesh. Let me get Amos 3 and 2. God only wanted Israel. You don't want Egypt. Why do you think he separated us? Martin Luther King brought us together, but God separated us. That wasn't supposed to happen. We all supposed to be in the truth, being separate from the white man because we holy. Go ahead.
Amos chapter 3 verse 2. You only have I known.
You what?
You only have I known.
He only knows us. Go ahead.
Of all the families of the earth.
Chinese.
You only have I known.
Arabs,
You only have I known.
East Indians,
You only have I known.
they precious white man,
You only have I known.
filthy Africans. We ain't Africans. We
You only have I known.
go ahead.
Of all the families of the earth.
He only knew us. He don't know y'all. He only know us. Of all the planets of the earth.
Therefore, I will punish you for all your iniquities.
Sorry, can you get the definition of iniquities? Lord gonna punish you, man. Lord gonna punish you for following that white man. You ain't supposed to be following that white man. You're supposed to be up in the truth, learn about who you are. You're supposed to be up right here, where I am, blazing these streets. Some people too scared to learn about where they come from. I'm not. Go. You got it. Like I said, you gonna get punished for following that white man. The Lord gonna come at you with swiftness for following that white man. This is our culture. You can't share this between no other nation. This is something that's between us.
You only have I known of all the families of the earth. Therefore, I will punish you for all your iniquities. Verse 3. Can two walk together except they be agreed?
You can drop it. Ezra 6 and 56. Listen, man, I'm coming at y'all straight on fire, bro. Y'all can't find this in no Christian church. You ain't gonna be able to find this nowhere else. I guarantee you, you try to go to a Christian church and find this, you ain't gonna get none of your questions answered.
That's right.
Go ahead.
2nd Ezra, chapter 6, verse 56. As for the other people.
As for who?
As for the other people.
White man.
As for the other people.
Arab.
As for the other people.
Chinese.
As for the other people, which also come of Adam, thou hast said that they are nothing.
They are what?
They are nothing.
Go ahead.
But be like unto spittle.
I just said that earlier, man. Spittle is the little spit that hang out the side of your mouth when you get done brushing your teeth. You ain't even a fool looking. You the last drop of the Kool-Aid when it fall out the bottle. Go ahead.
Be like unto spittle, and hast likened the abundance of them unto a drop that falleth from a vessel.
Like it, I just broke this down on accident. I mean, it wasn't really an accident, but the last drop of the vessel, that's like little small drops of some water that come out of buckets. Go ahead.
And now, O Lord, behold, these heathen, which have ever been reputed as nothing,
as nothing. Y'all are nothing. Stop trying to be like us. You can't rock the shield the same way we do. You can't teach the same way we do.
That's right.
You can't be like us at all. Y'all are like
right.
spittle.
That's right. Keep going. About to get rid of some hard. That's right. That's right.
Let me get Psalms 147 to 19. I don't think y'all quite understand who the chosen people are. The Most High is racist.
Right.
Some people take racist as if, oh, the white man just hate black people. No. Racism is a favoritism. It's favorites. The Lord has favorites. We are the Lord's favorite people.
That's right.
Like the white man.
Right.
That's right.
Go ahead.
Psalms chapter 147 and 19. He showeth his word unto Jacob, his statutes and his judgments unto Israel.
He showed the word to us. We are Jacob. He showed us the truth, not nobody else.
Right.
So stop going out and trying to be a Christian. This is your truth.
That's right.
This is who you need to be.
Right.
You need to wake up every Saturday morning and come be with us. You need to wake up every Sunday and rest, not go to church. You don't need the church. You need the truth. You need to know where you're from. Go ahead.
His statutes and his judgments unto Israel. Verse 20. He hath not dealt so with any nation,
he has never ever at any point in time shared the truth with a white man before.
Right.
Could you ever imagine going out on the street and seeing a white man do what we do? No, you can't. Because we the only people that's supposed to be doing this, man. This is what we supposed to be doing.
Nobody tell you cry. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it's worth something.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, sold packs, I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues, call this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good record. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good shepherd. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain, something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord? Got a tongue like a two-edged sword with a